Hi, my name is Haley Ledford, and today I'm going to show you how to DIY some simple kayaking strokes in my inflatable kayak. In order for me to actually demonstrate these basic strokes for the kayak, I wanted to actually sit into my personal kayak. So here I am inflating my inflatable kayak. I've had it for about a year now, and I've had no problems. I use a handheld pump to inflate it, and it takes me less than 5 minutes. Jumping right into things, I wanted to demonstrate initially how to adjust and hold the shaft of the paddle. So, if you rest the center point of the shaft on the top of your head and adjust your elbows and the hold that you have on the shaft to where you have a 90-degree angle, that will be the most ideal grip on the paddle itself. Now, when you bring the paddle down from your head, you'll create what is called the paddler's box, a shape formed by the shaft and your arms and chest. The forward stroke is one of the most common and important fundamental strokes that you will learn throughout this video. There are 3 phases to this one stroke: the catch phase, the power phase, and the release phase. In the first phase, you will submerge the blade fully at the side of the boat near your feet. As you move into the power phase, you will rotate your torso and the blade, focusing that upper hand on pushing against the shaft. Now into the third phase. When your hand reaches just behind your hip, make sure you take the blade out of the water and then do it all over again. Now we're going to look at the reverse stroke. The reverse stroke is practically the same thing as the forward stroke, but yet it's in reverse. So the drop phase, power phase, and release phase are the same components, you're just doing them in a different order. So you're going to place the blade into the water at your hip rather than at your feet, and then have the power phase where you rotate your torso forward, pushing with that upper hand still, and then release the blade and pull it out of the water at your feet. Now we're going to look at the sweep stroke. This is one of the most efficient ways to turn a boat. This stroke also has 3 phases: the catch phase, turn phase, and release phase. You want to extend your arms as far as you can and put the blade in the water near your feet. You want to begin sweeping the blade across near the surface of the water as widely as you can during the turn phase. Once the blade has reached the rear of the boat, you will release it out of the water and start again. For the last stroke that we're going to look at the draw stroke. The draw stroke is used to move your boat sideways. To initiate the first step of this stroke, you must rotate your paddle blade where it's horizontal. Now place the blade at the surface of the water about 2 feet out from the boat. Now you're going to use your lower hand to pull the blade straight towards you, keeping the tip of the blade immersed in the water. I hope you guys enjoyed my basic DIY kayak strokes. Always remember to wear your PFD when you're out on the water.